Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks video. So today guys, I got a request to make this video. So I'm going to show you guys how to delete a Facebook highlight with this simple video. So go ahead and open your Facebook. Now note that this video is not applicable for everybody. You can only make use of these tips if you already have Facebook highlights. So go ahead and open your Facebook account. Go click on the menu icon and go to the profile section. Scroll right down to the highlight section. You can notice where it says stories highlights. Now you can notice where it says edit stories. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on edit stories, you can see from any story you want to edit. Go ahead and click on any of them. So I'm going to click on this Q&A movie. So once you click on that, you can notice this is actually the movie. So just swipe down a little. You will notice where it says delete highlight. So go ahead and click on the delete highlight. You can notice where it says deleting highlights will remove the photo and video from your archive. So I will go ahead and do that by saying okay. Now it's deleting the highlight. Now you can notice the highlight is no longer displayed here. So that is pretty much it. That is just how to delete your highlight, and it's very easy. And thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends if it helped. See you on my next video. Peace.